Hey everybody, today we are going to do a one product full face of makeup. One product. You heard me right. Yep, one product. So we're going to start by taking off our glasses. Now, since we're only using one product, we're not going to use any foundation, no primer, no concealer, just one product. And that product is lipstick. Today we are using a lipstick that the writing is so small that I can't read it to you because I wear glasses and I'm practically blind. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our mirror and we're going to find the magnifying side. Ooh, hi there. And we are going to apply it to our eyelids. Okay, so we've got that on, and now we're going to blend. We're going to blend that up into the crease. And now we're going to do it to the other eye. And we're going to blend that up into the crease. Beautiful. Looks like I've been punched in the eye. Or I have pink eye. Yeah. Now we're going to apply our blush. So make a big smile. And we're going to just put it like a little swish on her face. And then blend that up. And then another swish. And blend that up. And now we look like a clown. So we're going to blend it some more. There we go. And now we're going to do our lips. And there we have it. Now, you might be thinking, but Andrea, what about contouring? What about highlighting? No problem. I got you there. So we're going to contour our nose. We're just going to put a little bit there and blend it down, and a little bit here and blend it down. And we've contoured our nose. We might want to put a little bit right there. Well, what about the under eye, Andrea? Well, let's just use the one product. And there we have it. Oh, I dropped it. Full face of makeup with one product. Where'd the lid go? There you go. Have a great day.